How to make this kind of sketch to leave effect. The reverse is also possible. First, open the VideoAE software. Click Make Video to enter the production interface. First, import the color image we want to make from resource. The default picture is only 4 seconds. Use the duration in the tools in the lower left corner to set the duration of the video to be made. For example, here I set it to 15 seconds. Then we find the Effect button in the lower toolbar. Add Special Effects. Find the Sketch effect and click to add it. It can be seen that the whole picture has become a comic sketch style. We add this image material again. Keep the duration consistent with the previous layer. Find the Mask button in the lower toolbar. Add the default mask. Here I choose a square and then scale it to the same size as the image to make the picture completely display. Then click the reverse button in the mask and the picture will become a sketch at this time. If you want to make a picture into a material, you don't need to click the reverse button. You can directly perform the following operations. Finally, add keyframe changes. Click Transform. Light the transition keyframe at 0 seconds, then drag the time hand to 10 seconds. The time position is customized here. Click the pen button to modify the transition value and move the y-axis. The data can make the screen slowly and completely display the color position from top to bottom. In the preview, you can see that the sketch is gradually turning into a color picture at this time. But the transition is rather blunt. Therefore, we need to modify the value of feather in properties and set the value according to the screen without being rigid. You can see from the preview that the changes are more natural at this time. If you feel monotonous, you can add a pencil animation. How about it? Have you learned it?